Okay, we're still at Jeremiah. Spencer's doing a brittle test and a mat transfer transfer test on these shingles here. This is the back. The front did not pass. This one here, same thing, because they're so old, 18 to 20 years old, and may not separate enough to be able to get a new shingle back in here again. This a bit. Let's see if we've got a mat transfer. Yes, excessive mat transfer right there. So that excessive mat transfer there is going to make that non-repairable as well. That left a chunk, left a hole in the shingle. So not only do you have the mat transfer, but you also have the holes in the shingle itself. And that's definitely not repairable. We still have some shingles here that suffer wind damage and have not been changed and still folded over. But even there, we won't be able to loosen the shingles. This one here's got to be loosened to get this one out. And the same issue there we're going to find. Okay, here we got that loose a little bit. And yes, excessive mat transfer on that too. So these shingles are too old, too brittle. There's a hole there now because of the mat transfer. These shingles are definitely too old and too brittle. So they wouldn't pass a flexibility test if you put one on them. And that would leave a crease. I'm sure, yeah, here's your crease right there starting. And then the mat transfer is going to render it unrepairable on both the front and back slope.